Hello friends, my name is Amardeep Sharma. I am a student. Today I am going to record my first video on Java interview questions, which I prepared myself. There is a no copy paste question and answer. It's original work. Hope it will be helpful for the aspirants who are preparing for interview. Please ignore my silly mistakes. Give me suggestions in comment box. Thank you. Let's start. One more thing, friends. There is no sequence of question answers because because interviewer will not ask in a sequence. Interviewer will ask in random questions. So we will cover like interview, not just sequence. Please ignore. Our first question is, what is static keyword? Actually, this is the very important and most asked question in the interview. Let's overview this. Static is an access modifier. There is one thing I should mention. Static is an access modifier in Java. What is access modifier? Access modifier defines the behavior of classes and its members. There is seven types of static modifiers. One, first, static. Second, final. Third, abstract. Fourth, synchronize. Fifth, transient. Sixth, native. And seventh, volatile. We are discussing here static keyword. Static keyword is used for memory management mainly. Uh, main the main use of static keyword when we want a common thing. Suppose you want any uh, we have five friends, okay, and something we have a mobile phone which is which can be shared by all five friends. Mm, that's mean it should be static. Static is also used for shared memory. Is also called shared memory. And first is static data members. Static data members, or we can say variables. Static variable can be used for refer common properties of all objects. That means it's not unique for each object. Okay. For example, company name of employees, or college name of students. There is in company name of employee, company name is common to all employees, as well as college name for student is common for all students. Okay. Second is static method. Static method, when we declare static method, one more thing in data static variable. Static variable get memory only once in class area at time of class loading. When no object is created, before that, when class is loading, at that time static static variables get memory. Default value of static data members or variables is 0. It should be remember always value will be default value will be 0. All static members of class acquire memory without creating an object, as I say before some time. it's get memory before creating any object at the time of class loading. For static data members, only one copy will be created, and that can be shared by all objects of the class. It is shareable memory. One more important question is that when should we use static variables? When 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 should we use static variables? There is three conditions where we can use static variables. To maintain, first is to maintain common data for all the instance. Okay. Second is to provide auto increment in application. Third is to act like counter variable in the application. That's all about static variable. I think you got clear your static variable. Now we come to static method. Static method acquire memory without creating an object. Okay. It all when we say something static with variable, with block, with import, with variables, all these will get memory at the time of the class loading time. Okay. What this thing should remember always. All static members acquire memory by the name of the class without creating an object. We have not required any object to get memory, because at the class loading time we get the memory, static get the memory. Static method can be called by the reference of the class name or through the object. Static method, we can call static method with two types: reference of the class name or through the object. Now third is static import. If any class imported as static, all of its static members can access directly without using class name. Okay.